Imagine a senior trainer who works 24 hours a day, speaks every language and never asks for a raise. Up until this point, this wasn't a thing, but it's actually the most underused technology in LLD right now. It is not a chatbot, it is an AI agent. We are all tired of it. While your competitors are still filming expensive webinars, I'm going to show you how to build a digital team that role-plays, grades, and coaches your employees automatically. Hi, I'm David, and this is how you build a unified global standard that never sleeps. The biggest lie in L&D is that access to content equals skills development. It doesn't. Skills come from practice and failure, but failure is too expensive to happen in front of a client and too embarrassing in front of a manager. This is why we are moving from passive generative AI to active AI agents. The difference is simple. A chatbot waits for you to ask a question. An agent has a goal and a job description. You can deploy these digital employees right now regardless of your technical setup. Use Zapier Central for simple no-code automation, Microsoft Copilot Studio if you need secure enterprise integration, or Flowwise if your developers want to build custom complex workflows. If you are battling high stationary training costs of the fragmentation of global teams, you don't need more software. You need this digital workforce. Let's look at exactly how this works across 6 specific workflows that directly address the lack of personalization and resistance you face from line managers. Let's start with the most expensive bottleneck, which are soft skills. You know the best way to learn negotiation is on-the-job training, but you simply cannot clone your sales director to roleplay with every new hire. The solution is the AI roleplay agent. By combining tools like Synthesia for realistic video avatars or Character AI for complex personalities, you can create a difficult client simulator that lives in the cloud. Picture your new sales rep putting on a headset to negotiate a deal. When they try to close, the AI objects to the price. If the rep sounds unsure, the AI pushes back harder. If they use the right empathy techniques, the AI calms down and signs. This changes the entire dynamic of training. Now, you can run the simulation in 1,000 different locations simultaneously in different languages, ensuring a unified global standard without flying a single trainer. Crucially, your employees are no longer terrified of looking incompetent in front of their boss. They can fail 50 times in private completely risk-free, so they are ready to shine in public. And when they finish, they don't get a subjective "I feel like you did okay." They get hard data. You interrupted the client 4 times and forgot the warranty. Your score is 72%. Plus, that is finally measurable ROI. One of your major headaches is the lack of unified training process and the fragmentation between systems. You hire someone and then the chaos begins. HR needs to spend documents, IT needs to set up permissions, and the hiring manager needs to schedule meetings. Often, this falls through the cracks, leading to a terrible day one experience. An AI agent team can run this entire process. We recently analyzed a workflow where we built a supervisor agent and 2 worker agents. This is how it flows. When a candidate is marked hired in your system, the supervisor agent wakes up. It reads the new hire's role, location, and start date. It then instructs the IT support agent to generate a ticket for the specific hardware needed for that role. Simultaneously, it instructs the culture agent to draft a personalized welcome email that includes the specific reading list for their department. The agents talk to each other. The IT agent confirms to the supervisor that the laptop is ordered. The supervisor then updates the HR dashboard. This happens without a human lifting a finger. This is how you finally get your line managers on your side. They hate the admin side of onboarding. It distracts them from their actual work. If you take that off their plate, you win their loyalty. You are not just buying software, you are eliminating the manual friction of the sourcing and setup process. Your managers are tired of answering the same questions. How do I expense this? What is the policy on remote work from Spain? Where is the logo file? This constant interruption destroys productivity and leads to inconsistent answers. An AI agent acts as a policy oracle. Unlike a search bar where you have to read 10 documents to find an answer, the agent reads the documents for you. You connect it to your SharePoint, your Google Drive, and your PDF handbooks. When an employee asks, "Can I carry over my holidays to next year?" the agent doesn't just give a generic answer. It checks the employee's location, for example, Poland versus UK, checks the specific handbook for that entity and answers. In Poland, yes, but you must use them by September 13th. Here is the link to the request form. This ensures safety and compliance. You sleep better knowing that your team is getting legally accurate answers that are consistent globally, rather than relying on tribal knowledge or what one manager thinks the rule is. One of the specific values you are looking for is the personalization of career paths. The traditional way is chunky. Every year, a manager sits down and guesses what training an employee needs. An AI agent transforms this by becoming a silent observer of their actual work. It doesn't just read performance reviews, it can see that they successfully managed a budget in a project alpha or resolved a complex client issue in record time. It captures the on-the-job learning that human managers often miss. Imagine an employee interacting with his agent. I want to become a senior project manager. The agent analyzes both their history and their daily wins. Okay, I see you have already mastered risk assessments based on your work last month, but to move to senior, you still need to improve your budgeting skills. Here is a custom path. Read this internal case study on Project X and book a coffee chat with this specific mentor who excels at budgeting. This creates a unified place for the employee. They aren't lost in a library of 10,000 courses. They have a personalized GPS that gives them credit for the work they are actually doing. Now, giving employees the right path is one thing. Knowing if they actually walked, it is another. This brings us to the black hole of L&D, measuring long-term ROI. We usually measure training by did they like the pizza or did they pass the quiz. AI allows us to measure sentiment and behavior change at scale. Instead of a multiple choice surveys, imagine an agent that conducts a 2-minute chat interview with employees 30 days after a training. Hey, you took the leadership course last month. Have you had a chance to use the feedback model yet? How did it go? The employee replied in their own words. The agent analyzes thousands of those conversations. It doesn't give you a spreadsheet, it gives you insights. 80% of participants understood the theory, but 60% are finding it too difficult to apply in remote meetings. Now you have an actionable data. You know exactly where the ROI is leaking and you can fix it. Finally, let's talk about turnover. When a senior employee leaves, they walk out the door with years of institutional knowledge. This is a massive hidden cost. An AI agent can conduct exit interviews or better yet, continuous knowledge capture. It can prompt senior experts. You just finished Project Alpha. Can you record a 2-minute voice note on what went wrong with the vendor? The agent transcribes this, tags it, and files it. 6 months later, when a new junior employee runs into the same vendor problem, the agent surfaces that advice. Warning, on Project Alpha, we have found that this vendor has a 2-week delay on shipping. Plan accordingly. This turns your organizations into a learning machine rather than a leaky bucket. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds complex. This brings us to the common fear of long implementation cycles. But the landscape has changed. You don't need a 2-year digital transformation contract. As I mentioned, you likely already own the stack. If you are an enterprise, your IT team can build those agents safely inside Microsoft Copilot Studio tomorrow. If you are agile, you can prototype in Zapier in an afternoon. Build a team of specialized modular agents, one for onboarding, one for roleplay, one for policy. This modular approach is easier to manage, cheaper to scale, and allows you to update one agent without breaking the entire system. So let's face the paradox. We have infinite content, yet our remote teams feel isolated and our managers feel overwhelmed. You cannot fix this with more PDFs. You can fix it with an always-on support system. Whether it's the roleplay agent cutting your training costs or the policy agent freeing up your managers, the results is the same. You finally achieve a unified global standard. You get the consistency of a robot with the personalizations of a human coach. But there is a catch. Those agents are only as smart as the instructions you give them. If your team treats AI like a basic search engine, you will get basic results. To build this future, you need to master the language of prompting. That is exactly why you need to watch this video next. Most of your employees are treating AI like a waiter. They just say, give me text and get generic slop in return. In that video, I break down the exact framework to unlock the other 99% of the potential you are already paying for. Click here and let's get your team actually ready for this future. And as always, see you in the next one.